Alright. Okay, guys, I'm so souped on coffee. And okay, our throttle's getting some wiggle room back. Before it didn't have any, and that's why it was feeling so sensitive. Yo, I'm fogging up my fucking visor. Never buy some Chinese visors, guys. It's not a smart idea. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned it already, but my whole beginning of my recording was it was pointed like too low, and my camera wasn't even on ultra wide.
Oh my god, bro! Oh, hell no, man! What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, bro!
I was gonna include the ride here, but you know, can't do that anymore because it was god awful. Look at this boy, all studious over here. And he's bouncing. Yo, my visor's fogging up like crazy, bro. I hate... Oh, he stalled. He stalled out, bro. That guy was looking at me weird. I don't like that. Bro, no way there's cars in the way, bro.
There's like right here.
You want to just do it later?
You can. Do you make a video right now?
Make a video? I don't know. Our TikToks are lucky ass.
Well, we gotta be consistent. That's why they weren't working.
What would we make?
I don't know.
I'm not making the we pop out at 1 in the morning.
Alright guys, I think a little bit of context is needed here. I know this video is kind of all over the place, and I'm currently editing this at 2 AM, but anyways, I'm back on my bike after a very long time, considering last time I uploaded was about, what, 4 to 5 months ago? I've been riding within that time, but my bike has been on and off and getting broken, I guess. So for weeks it would be down for some little reasons and then back up again, but the most recent issue was with the throttle, which for those of you that don't know, I lost my last bike due to a throttle issue, so I made sure to take my time with it and make sure it was fixed. And here we are now. The bike runs as it should, and I'm getting used to riding again, so that's always good. I hope to be able to post more consistently in the future, and I do plan to, but life just has a weird way of keeping me from it. I'm willing to take any recommendations on videos and what y'all would like to see. I always want to make you all feel heard, and I'll reply to everyone I can. Feel free to let me know what you did or didn't like in the video. It would totally help a lot because I am clueless on what to post. Anyways, enough yapping. This is my first day back riding with my day 1, so I hope y'all can enjoy.
All right, let's go show him the view over here. Wait, I think I left my keys. That's fine. It's not on, right? Yeah, no. If it was on, my bike would be. What
Something's going on.
are you talking about? Oh.
Look at all the red paint.
Oh, shit. Oh, is there like a crime here?
I wanna ask him.
Yeah. Damn, they turned down our place.
Little trail walk.
Low trail walk. Yo, look, you gotta take a piss down here. Alright, guys, so basically, Noah showed me this place last time. Like, last time we rode together. And this place is pretty sick. It's like a bat cave. I came here a long time ago when I was like, I don't know, like 5, like a pre-K trip. And I saw like a whole bunch of bats fly out of a cave. But I forgot this place was here. And it's got a nice little trail. The view up there is amazing, but we can't see it right now because they're doing construction. But, oh, there's a couple seats right here. It's just a little bit of a view. But, I mean, dude, if everything was green and alive right now, it would look so much better. But everything's dead.
Yeah.
Like, riding around when everything's dead.
You can see like all the hills.
Yeah. See all the what?
The hills. The cave's down here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
Do not handle bats. Bro.
See it?
Oh, that's it? Oh, yeah.
Like, it's
I was
under us.
standing, I was on that bridge.
Yeah, it's like right under us.
Yeah. Yo, where can I, up here?
Hmm?
Up
Yeah,
here.
probably.
Alright.
Yeah, just don't look.
We could what?
You could eat it at that cafe if you want.
How expensive is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's a cafe, like, right by where we're at right now, so. Do you want to go?
I mean, I'm not very hungry, but I mean.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, where are we going? It's this way. Oh, you want to go down?
Wanna go down to the bridge?
Alright, bet.
No ACL.
Holy, I got, what?
This is no ACL, no problem.
Oh, bro, I gotta take a shit so bad.
They
Even
got
though,
bathrooms over there.
porta potties? This is not a bathroom.
No. they have bathrooms at the cafe, I think.
Oh. I feel like I'm gonna get, like, watched by, like, some weird tavern person.
Tavern?
Yeah.
Showing too much ankle at the tavern, bro. Let's see if we can see inside from here.
You wanna see what we can see?
Yeah, I want to see if I can see inside.
Oh, alright.
Like, I know we will be from the bridge, but I want to get like a high up view.
Oh.
Nope, I guess not.
Yeah, no, there's no way.
I think this used to be like a railroad, no?
Oh, yeah, it was a tunnel for, I don't know, something like that. If this thing got struck by lightning for sure.
Yeah. Damn, out of all the trees, it chose that one.
Bro, these are some crazy stairs.
I know. Dude, did they use the railroad wood for these?
I think so. Bridge extremely slippery when wet. Why don't they just make it with different wood?
That's badass.
That's pretty sick. Where the bats at?
In there somewhere.
Are they actually?
Yeah.
Like right now?
I think so.
Cap.
Unless they're like migrating.
Do bats migrate?
I don't know. I'm not educated on this.
I think they do, because they fly around at night. That means they're migration. Yo, look how long that trail is, bro.
You wanna go down that?
No.
Fair enough.
Hey guys, go hit up the TikTok real quick. I actually get a lot of people that say they came from the TikTok. Or came from the YouTube, watch.
Is this premium?
Yeah, see, you came here from the vid where you made it. Love your vids, dude. I want a Yamaha R3. I didn't even like it, fuck.
Here, go up.
Bro, a comment got 4K.
Found
An account on Instagram that's stealing your... Bro, we had people like, literally downloading the video and then posting it, acting like it's theirs. Like, that's just embarrassing. If you see anything like that, you better report them, because anything besides this account is not me. And I have one account on Instagram, but...
Oh, they're gonna think we're lying because we have different helmets now.
Huh? Oh, shit. Well,
Nah, bro, that was back in the day.
yeah. Dude, I tried... I feel I can definitely wheelie. It's fucking scary, though.
You went up, like, I'd say about 3 inches.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Actually?
Yeah.
I actually came up.
Yeah.
I didn't even think I came up,
No, you were like this. It was like a,
but tiny.
it was like up down.
Okay. We're almost back.
Yeah.
Finna. Damn, well, it's actually tiring.
I know. Hey, we got our steps in, but we don't need to step no more.
Yeah. Enough cardio for the day.
Oh, we don't gotta hit cardio at the gym tonight.
Uh-huh.
We gotta have like a deep breath count on the screen. You wanna go check out the cafe? There's like couches and stuff. They're not couches, but like chairs.
Nah. I think we just keep riding.
Okay. You wanna head back to town?
Where else could we go?
I mean, there's that road that Jet took us on. We could stop at like the Dino Burger place.
What the fuck is Dino Burger?
It's legendary.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
You know where the night Cannon got pulled over? It's on that road. It's like at the beginning of that road. Like you don't take that right. It's like the straight high. It's on that straight highway. You know that straight road that we pulled off on where Jet drifted? It's like
Oh, yeah?
5 minutes back towards town from there.
I mean, maybe. Alright, done with the Batcave. We're gonna go head back to town. I don't really know. We're gonna go to UPS because my friend had a package that didn't get delivered, so I'm gonna go see if I can get that for him. And then we'll figure it out from there. Finna. Alright, let's go. Look, bro. Look. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check for that package I was talking about, and we'll go from there. Maybe we'll get some Asian Garden, I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, so we just got done eating at Asian Garden, and let me tell you, bro, that shit low-key hit the spot on both of us. It was amazing. Just some good sesame chicken, some fried rice, egg roll. Oh my gosh, I'm stuffed. Look, I gotta take a shit. But on the way to the Batcave, I'll probably include a couple of clips. But we're trying to pop some wheelies, and now we're gonna go head over to an airstrip. Not an actual airstrip. It's like the airfield area. It's like a really big straight road, and we're gonna go attempt to go work on our wheelies a little bit because both of us need some work. And I've never wheeled this thing besides today, and it wasn't that scary. It was just like, it's just new, especially on a new bike. So we're gonna go ahead and make our way over there real quick, and let's just see what happens. Maybe we might crash. One of us might fall. We may be foreshadowing something here. Maybe. Alright, let's go. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up. Now they saying what's up.
A few moments later.
Why do I have no rear brake fluid?
What? Bro, oh, dude, I have a lot. You have literally fuck Jack. Oh, I mean, poor Jack. Jack's getting fucked. As he instantly just pops one. Dude, I look, he popped one. What the fuck? Why is there just a sandwich in the middle of the road? Okay, so we're gonna hit a few more on the way out, and we're gonna go back to Starbucks because we gotta go to the bathroom bad. Oh, he didn't hit it back. All right, we're gonna go to Starbucks. This is already a long ass video, so at least I think so. Damn, 220. Come on, bike, cool down.
I started today with a full tank, now I'm at half a tank.
I wonder how much I'm at. Probably half.
Yeah, I gotta pee. Like, really bad.
You're gonna go here?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, I gotta go bad. And I'm gonna get gas.
That cash?
No, I'm gonna do cars.
Well guys, that pretty much sums up the day. This video took me honestly so much editing. I don't even know why it took so long, but I'm just new to all this and this is my first time editing on a computer because all my other videos were made on a phone, which is kind of crazy, but yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. It did take a very long time, like I said, but I'm sure I'll get better at it down the road, and if my videos keep doing good like they have in the past, then I'll be able to keep posting. And I really want to say thank you to all of those that made it this far because y'all really mean so much to me. You let me make these videos and continue to make them and put time into it because I know that at least someone out there is enjoying it or wanting to watch, you know? Anyways guys, I'm gonna be out riding in almost all my free time when I'm not at work or school because school's coming back up. That's gonna take a lot of time, but we'll just see where this goes, and maybe I'll have more time. Maybe I could put more effort into videos, take more off work, and slowly move into straight YouTube. If that happens, that is literally my dream, but I'm not sure if it will. So you know, you never know where the roads lead. So I guess we should see. We shall see. Okay guys, I hope you all have a blessed day or morning or afternoon, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.